Hello everyone, my name is Moji. You're watching a Bitcoin Bubble news channel. It's a way to handle money. This is the first global, decentralized, private, digital, rules-based, and not regulated by the government money system in history. This is very important. There's tech and there's money. The third thing is something we brought to light with the ETF issue. Lightning Labs, the company that made the Bitcoin Lightning Network scaling solution, said earlier this month that it would be releasing tools to help people make chatbots that are driven by AI and can send and receive messages. Since OpenAI ChatGPT went popular in 2022, Bitcoin chatbots have been getting a lot of attention. AI LMS helps ChatGPT and other chatbots learn and use normal language so they can talk and answer like real people. For years, this has made them well known. As with all new tech, AI will get better over time. A new idea in this field called agentic AI says it can turn independent systems from passive models into ones that can understand, analyze, do, and finish tasks without help from a person. With Lightning Labs' new tools, agentic AI will be able to handle complicated situations and complete jobs on its own. When chatbot developers can add Bitcoin payments straight to their AI software, Bitcoin could become the money of the AI revolution. At Bitcoin 2024 in Nashville, Wood talked about what these new AI models could do and how AI and blockchain technologies are coming together. For years, Cathie's company has been combining 5 platforms for innovative innovation. She quit AllianceBernstein to start ARNV because she saw the potential in these platforms. Cathie and Elise Ken had an informal chat at the Nashville conference, and Cathie said that blockchain, AI, robots, energy storage, and gene sequencing platforms would change things more and faster than she thought. In the middle, Lightning Labs and Bitcoin will make it easier to pay. Cathie says that the most expensive Bitcoin asset could be worth $1 million in less than 6 years. If you want to see more fireside conversation videos like this one, you should subscribe to the channel and turn on post alerts. Thanks and have fun with the movie. It's been really cool. We think what you just said will really matter, but if we were listening to Michael, it won't matter much. Before I start, I'm going to talk about how technologies that are changing right now are coming together to make huge growth possibilities. I'll just use one of the stocks we're known for to show what I mean. This is a huge convergence chance. A lot of people look at Tesla as an auto business. ARK, on the other hand, thinks it's the coming together of robots. Robotic cab networks will play a big role in this. They will store energy and be electric. And artificial intelligence, which is opening up huge growth possibilities. And the reason for that is that each of these technologies follows an S-curve. When they come together, they'll start feeding off of each other, which will lead to huge growth possibilities. I believe the reason we're here today is to talk about Bitcoin and convergence. I think one reason the price has been going up lately is that more and more people are realizing that there is a lot of teaching going on. With 11 ETFs coming out at the same time, 11 asset managers are out there trying to teach as many people as possible. What are we saying to them to help them understand? This is what we mean when we say that Bitcoin is 3 big ideas in one. Are you sure it's a technology? Now that you think about it, it does use the internet. This is the part of the internet that developers didn't build in the early 1990s because they didn't think that business or financial transactions would happen on it. In other words, it's just the next version of the web. It's a way to handle money. The first global, decentralized, private, digital, rules-based, and not regulated by the government money system in history. This is very important. Tech and economy are 2 parts of it. The third part, which we brought to light when we released the ETF, is that it is a new asset class. And every asset manager, whether they work with individuals or businesses, needs to think about adding a new type of asset to their customers' portfolios. Why? Because returns don't tend to go together very well. In other words, if you add some Bitcoin, your return on risk goes up, and every institution knows that. Because of this, they need to tell their clients what Bitcoin is and how it can be used as an investment. So I think that the release of ETFs has really helped to solidify the story and is starting to lead to a better understanding in the trading world as a whole. Cathie is very hopeful about these sites for disruptive innovation. She believes they could grow by 40% each year while the economy is good. According to ARK's study, the market value of these platforms will rise from $13 trillion in 2024 to over $200 trillion by 2030. This will mean huge opportunities for everyone, but investors who get in early will have the best ones. Additionally, Cathie is very positive about AI and blockchain and how they will work together to change how people live, work, trade, and make plans for the future. During her talk with Elise, Cathie shared that some AI big language models are already being used to help businesses grow and make life easier in some parts of Africa. The Bitcoin and Lightning Network payment tools that are being built are at the center of this new environment. In their message, the Lightning team said that smart AI bots would need to pay for their own API calls and resources. This is where the Bitcoin Lightning Network comes in. It might be able to make payments cheaper, faster, easier, and payable by machine. Here are some more videos. People who cared about the Earth were against him and said bad things about it. So Block and I put together a half-day class with Elon Musk, Jack Dorsey, and Steve Lee, for those of you who know him. And we were trying to disabuse the critics of the idea that this is bad for the Earth. Before I go any further, I want to say that I think we're hearing more common sense about that subject in general. We need power to grow. It takes energy to make technology better. Now maybe we can do it faster and better, and yes, we are behind schedule, but energy always goes up as the economy grows. We will need even more energy if we are right, and the economy and its growth rate are going to speed up because of all the new things that are being made. That's the first thing. However, we were able to show at the seminar that Bitcoin mining in a utility environment and other energy ecosystems will actually help us build too much solar and wind energy. Why? Well, as you build this ecosystem for green energy, you'll need utilities and a storage unit. I live in sunny Florida. The store will get full very quickly, and if it's not used, it will be a waste. That's why people mine Bitcoin. What does it do for the community of utilities? So mining Bitcoin gives you Bitcoin, and if you really want to speed up the development of your green infrastructure, Bitcoin will help you do that. And then there's the second one, which we saw with Exxon. I was shocked to see them put Bitcoin mining equipment into natural gas fields so they could use the gas to mine Bitcoin instead of releasing it or flaring it. That's oil company Exxon. There's a lot of support and proof here. When Bitcoin and AI work together, they will start a new era of digital progress. The business side of the internet will also change because of this union. It will add a much-needed layer that wasn't there before. The way we pay for things should go digital too, since everything else is. Cathie also thinks that blockchain will not only help AI, but as other new platforms continue to grow, they will also feed the blockchain's growth and development. This will cause the prices of cryptocurrencies and other digital assets to go up a lot. What do you think about Cathie Wood's predictions and smart analysis? Tell us in the space below. Turn on post alerts and give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. This will help you find more videos like this. Everything you do is very good for YouTube and the channel's growth. Thanks for seeing.